Friends, it is Spring Spotlight Week, and Prospecting Agent has gotten some serious upgrades. Check this out. So here I am on Prospecting Agent. If you've ever looked at Prospecting Agent before, you will notice this looks very different. It's got a sidebar now, and it's got all this stuff here. But the thing I want to draw your attention to is this one. Plays. What used to be called selling profiles has been expanded into plays, and when I say expanded, I mean expanded. Check this out. So if you've ever created a selling profile before, you are used to setting up this sort of thing, where you say what your company sells, what's your value proposition, pain points, products and services, this kind of thing. But look, there is now a step even before that. Prospecting Agent now actively researches and finds accounts for you to reach out to. So look, if you have a list of target companies, you can add a segment here. Any company segment can be added, and you can just go ahead and drop it in. And then signals. If you've been paying attention to buying signals in the buyer intent tool, you can now, that is now part of Prospecting Agent, and you can choose what signals you want it to care about. This means these accounts are worth reaching out to now. And look, you can even set up personas. I don't have any personas set up, but it's a very easy process. You hit create, and this is, sales leader Steve, and his job title is typically VP of sales or SVP of sales or sales manager, whatever. And you can just set that up, and now we have a persona, right? And so Prospecting Agent is going to monitor these accounts, listen for these signals, and outreach to the people who match up to 3 contacts per company, right? And you can set a new contact limit, whatever you want that to be, up to you. And then it now has identified those. And then it goes through the process you're used to if you've looked at this. It knows how to draft research, and it knows how to it knows how to research outreach, and it knows how to send it. Now, it's always just been this adaptive option. Sequences are now right in here, and look, these are dynamic. Look at these. Look at these tokens. These are not just pulling in values from CRM properties. These are basically AI prompts, and you can edit this. And if you want to add another one, you can do that. If you want to edit what these do, you can see the prompt instructions. You can modify those, so you can get a personalized email that is really, truly personalized. Choose a contact, see how it does. This is just the beginning. There are so many things going on, but the big thing to know is that Prospecting Agent is wildly expanded and more powerful now. It researches and outreaches on its own, and like Customer Agent, if you've never used it before, it is totally free for 28 days. So you can set it up and try it, and it won't consume any credits at all, and then it'll very politely turn itself off, and you can decide whether or not to keep using it in the future. So I say, go ahead and try it out. I think you have nothing to lose. It's a beta. Opt yourself in. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.